What's up guys, my name is Delaney Ball, and today we will be replacing the battery on the Razer Sonic Glow. This is a relatively easy process. It should take approximately 10 minutes from start to finish. You will only need the following tool: a Phillips screwdriver. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1, removing the deck lid. Step 2, removing the batteries. Step 3, installing your new batteries. And step 4, reinstalling the deck lid. As with working with any electric product, make sure you turn it off before you begin. Now let's get started on step 1, removing the deck lid. There are 6 screws securing the deck lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all 6 of the screws. When removing the screws, make sure you set them somewhere safe so that you won't lose them. Now that we have the 6 screws removed, carefully lift the deck lid up as it is still connected by a wire. Trace the wires down to the plug and then pinch and separate. Now set the deck lid somewhere safe. With the deck lid removed, that concludes step 1. Now on to step 2, removing the batteries. There are 2 straps that secure the batteries. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the straps. Once the screws are out, remove the battery strap and place it somewhere safe. Once the battery straps are removed, we can remove the foam pad and set it aside. Next, lift the battery straight up and trace the wire down to its plug. Once you get to the plug, pinch and separate. Now we are going to disconnect the fuse. Simply pull the red wire straight out and then do the same thing with the black wire that is below it. Next, we can remove the second battery. Simply remove it straight up and out of the battery box. Now that the battery is disconnected, you can go ahead and recycle it properly. With the batteries removed, that concludes step 2, removing the batteries. Now on to step 3, installing your new batteries. Now let's put the batteries back inside the scooter. The longer wire should be coming from the back, and the wire should be facing the right side of the scooter when you're placing them back inside. Now let's reconnect the breaker. Start with the black wire on the bottom, simply press in until you hear a click, and do the same thing with the red wire on top. Simply press in until you hear a click. Now let's reconnect the batteries. Simply press the connectors together until you hear a click. Next, let's tuck the wires into the box. Make sure all the wires are carefully placed into the frame. When tucking in the wires, make sure to leave out the plug for the deck lid. With the wires all tucked in neatly, we can now reinstall the foam pad, followed by the battery straps. Using your Phillips screwdriver, reinstall the 4 screws that secure the battery strap. With the battery secured, that concludes step 3, reinstalling the batteries. Now on to step 4, reinstalling the deck lid. Let's start by connecting the deck lid. Simply press the connectors together until you hear a click. Now place the deck lid on, making sure that you line up all the holes. Using your Phillips screwdriver, screw in all 6 of the screws that secure the deck lid. With the deck lid reinstalled, that concludes step 4, and the process of replacing the batteries on the Razer Sonic Glow. If you are still having troubles, you can contact customer support at Razer.com. Once again, my name is Delaney Ball, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through this process. Thanks for watching.